At first, all I saw was black. Until I was welcomed to the Glade as the latest addition to the Gladers. There are 3 rules in the Glade. We do our part, we never harm other Gladers, and lastly, never go outside the Glade unless you're a runner. Every day, the runners go out of the Glade to map out the maze and are expected to arrive before nightfall, before the grievers find them. But I must find out what's out there. We can't stay here. I know there's no guarantee we can make it back alive from this. But we started this together. May as well end it that way too. For when the quiet gets loud.